Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO C85 and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, open your phone dialer. Now enroll more options and go to settings. Here you will notice block numbers. So here it is, just mark to open, and now you can either block all unknown colors by using this top indicator, or you can add some number manually by yourself. Just mark add a number, provide it here, and select block. And that's it. From now on, all annoying colors will not be able to reach you. But once you want to remove some number from your blacklist, all you have to do is to mark this cross icon and then just confirm that you really want to unblock it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.